To fix the Spectrum limited mode, start by resetting the cable box. Unplug its power cord from the wall outlet or surge protector. Plug it back in, and wait about 5 minutes for the reboot to complete. Next, perform a hard reset on the modem by removing it from power and plugging it back in. Check for any loose cables and ensure they are firmly attached to the power supply. Verify if your internet is active. If it is, and you're still experiencing the limited mode error, obtain a tag to activate the ports to which the boxes are attached. Alternatively, try removing the modem and connecting the cable box directly to the line with active internet. If you're not receiving an internet signal and are getting the limited mode error, you may need to obtain a tag to add services by running a new drop. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Spectrum through your account to determine if the problem can be fixed from their server, which can be accessed at spectrum.net. By following these simple steps, fixing the Spectrum limited mode can be a straightforward process.